All right, our final model or our final example here is going to be with the snowmobile. So we're buying a snowmobile and it costs us $4,200. The value of the snowmobile decreases by 10% each year. So most automobiles are going to depreciate over time. So because it says decreases, I want the decay model, which is the subtracting one. 1 minus r to the t. So here, the $4,200 is what we paid brand new, so that's your original amount, your initial. And our rate is 10%. So 10% as a decimal is 0.10. So now plugging everything into our equation, we plug in A as 4,200, and we do 1 minus r to the t, and r is 0.10. So if we just subtract these, 1 minus 0.10, 4,200 times 0.9 to the t. 0.9 would be our base here, our decay factor. All right, estimate after 3 years. So here the 3 is giving us years, so that's time. So we're going to take our equation and we're going to plug this in for time. So 4,200 times 0.9 to the third power. So just take your calculator and we get this number. So let me clear all this stuff. So 4,200 times 0.9 to the third power gives us that it would cost, still pretty good for 3 years later, $3,061.80. The comma would go here. Again, if you want to round this to the nearest dollar, that's fine. If you just say $3,062, that's okay, because if you were going to post this and sell it, that's probably what you would round it to. Maybe even just $60, $3,060. But here we have the calculator, so we're going to be as exact as possible. All right, so for part C, estimate when the value will be $2,000. So the 2,000 is giving us the y, because it's money. When it gives us the y, that's when we want to plug it into the y equals. So in the calculator, we're going to do y1 equals this equation, not this one. Not with the number there, but with the x. So 4,200 times 0.9 to the x power is what we need to come over here and plug in. So y equals, clear that, 4,200 times 0.9 to the x, and we go look to see when it goes to 2,000. So starting at 42, go down. So right here, this one is closer to 2,000 than this one is, even though that's below it. This is the one that's closer to it. So we'll do 7 years. So x equals, because we're looking for x, 7 years as our final number there. All right, so on Thursday, we'll do the compounded interest problem, which is page 15. It's similar to the growth. There's just one more number we got to plug in, and then we'll get the E model on Friday. So 2 more application parts. Tomorrow, your quiz is going to be over the 3 topics that we've done so far. So the topic yesterday and today was topic 3, growth and decay. And then from last week with the tables on Thursday, and then the graphing on Friday. So that's topic 2. And then the sequences from topic 1. So on topic 1, you're going to need to know the 2 sequences formulas and then how to use them.